The awards program that we're having today is to recognize young people that have succeeded in doing, in participating in our summer program through their mentorship and teaching of the children that were in our summer program. So as an organization, we wanted to recognize them. And also this event today is about giving out scholarships to 20 recipients, and these scholarships are for post-secondary education or to help high school students that are moving towards getting into post-secondary education. For our scholarship, we have a partnership with Edmonton Community Foundation, and has the organization supporting our scholarship program. For soccer, it is supported by City of Edmonton, and for our summer camps, the camps are funded through Canada Summer Jobs.
The reason that this is an important award to us is because of our partnership with Africa Center, who is a member of the community, and their committee members, their board, their staff are all working with young people, especially through the Come Up, which is an excellent program that is really the reason and the inspiration for the partnership with Africa Center, because they've been able to communicate the awards to extremely qualified and successful young people who are applying and have made the awards a huge success.
Hi, my name is Robin Taylor. I just received the Edmonton Refugees and Emerging Communities Scholarship, and I feel really grateful and thankful to the Africa Center and to Edmonton Community Foundation for giving me this opportunity to advance my education.
Hello, my name is Chioma Obokwe, and first of all, I want to say a big thank you to the Edmonton Community Foundation and the African Center for giving me an opportunity to be able to follow my passion.